Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Asia's Jewelry. So, let's see what's in here. Ooh, some paparazzi. That's the necklace she sent me for helping her on her live one night. It is pretty. Here's the earrings. They're brown and like a mother of pearl color. And you see some beads here the same color with some like a ocean blue color. And then it has some rondelles, some spacers, some silver beads. I like it. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be safe, stay safe, be crafty, stay crafty, be kind, love and light to all, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye bye for now.